So, Franklin Planner. I finally got to the point when I'm ready to record this video. Usually I do like to test some new things for a week or two or maybe even a month before showing you, but this planning system made me so confident that I'm going to use it further that I decided to make a video right now, and I hope you enjoy it. I will show you how I use it in my Everbook and how you can actually use it absolutely for free. So, slava Ukraini, and let's get right into it. So, it's not a secret that I'm using an Everbook, and I'm not going to switch to the ring binder Franklin Covey planning system, I believe they call it. I will instead show you how I use it with my Everbook and how you can use it with your Everbook absolutely for free. The system itself is pretty expensive, as I seen it in the internet, but one more benefit about the Everbook that if you pay the price for the cover once, you can use basically any system which exists right now in this planner, cover, notebook, whatever you want to call it. You just get your Everbook and adopt the Franklin Planner for it. By having Everbook, you can basically adopt any planning system which you want, getting things done, bullet journal, Franklin Planner, whatever you want. You just need an Everbook, and I will show you how to use this method absolutely for free. Well, you will have to spend some money for the ink for printing and the sheets, but it's like, I guess these few cents doesn't really matter. I do have my Franklin Planner here, and I will show you the blank or the template, how it's done. As you can see, it has a day on 2 pages, and I like to keep here some notes or whatever if I have to take some stuff, or if I want to write more than in this daily notes space, because I like to write a lot. So that's the main sheet, which has today's date, the day of the week, the month, and the year. I like to keep it in here just because when I'm out and about, it's really comfortable just to reach for this sheet. And here I have my planning, here I have my notes. I just jot down whatever I need, and I get it in here without need to use a desktop or whatever, without opening my Everbook completely. So this sheet goes in here. After that, I have 2 folders or bundles. This is the original Everbook deadlines, departures, milestones. As you can see, I have my year in a glance at one sheet. And I like to keep here my current and next months. As you may know, if you're familiar with Franklin Planner system, you know that you have to keep on yourself 3 months. Previous one, the actual current month, and the next one for nearest planning. So here goes the current month and the next one. As you can see, it's currently 27th, and here we have 27th, 26th, 28th, 29th, and so on. And here I have the next month, which is February, and you can see it starts from here. I have here my monthly index, which I haven't tested yet. I suppose it is going to be very useful, but time will show. And here we have monthly tasks. What do I want, or what I've decided to do in the next month. And of course the planning sheets. As you can see, I have already done some planning here and there. Some tasks which I have to do at the specific date. And it's really convenient for me to have every day, and I, instead of writing here in small letters, I can just reach for the next month and the specific date and make an appointment, for example, or tasks which I have to do that day. So here's that. And the second bundle is the reference bundle, I guess, the one with the previous month. Of course, I haven't been using the Franklin Planner earlier, so I have my regular notes here, and you can see I've started testing this 1 week ago. So far it's been very convenient and really useful for me, so I decided to stick to it. I've printed a few more months, get my planning done, and that's basically what I wanted to tell you. Also, you can get these templates for free. I will leave the link so you could print them out from the original site actually. Of course, those are not as pretty as the original templates which you have to pay for. Those are already pre-printed and have the holes for the Franklin Planner. And you know, when I've tried to go deeper into this Franklin Planner stuff, there's like so much things to do, and I was really overwhelmed and didn't even wanted to start. But after I saw the template and tried to use it, tried to prioritize, as you can see, in order stuff, it appeared to be very easy, simple, natural to understand, and really useful, to be honest with you. So that's pretty short video. I just wanted to show you how I use it Franklin Planner right now with my Everbook. Of course, I do have here my other bundles which are active right now, and from now on I'm using this half of the Everbook for my future planning and for my daily planning. So I hope you find this useful also, and you will try, or even maybe if you have already tried the Franklin Planner system, just leave a comment, let me know how you like it or if you don't. And with that, it's all set. Because, yep, I wrote it down. I wrote it down. I wrote it down. I wrote it down. I wrote it down.